Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, January 16th, and this is my analysis of the Aussie US dollar, starting on the monthly time frame, working my way down to the 1 hour for the full top down analysis. So we have been going down pretty strong, but I still think overall this is going to keep going up. I still think this is a wave Y, an ABC of Y. I still think it's going to go up and take out these highs to complete that W, X, and ABC of Y, because each one of these should be a three-way pattern. And if this is an ABC of Y, then it would make a lot of sense for it to be making a 1 of Y, a 1 of C, 2 of C, eventually go up and make a 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So going down to the weekly time frame is where you can kind of break this down a little bit. I think that it is pretty clear that this is an uptrend. I think it's a wave one. I think this move down is a wave two, and yeah, it probably will take out this low, or maybe it'll make like a double bottom right there. Either way, I think eventually it's going to end this wave two, and it's going to make a nice push up for a wave three, probably a 1, 2, 3 of wave C, which this wave C but should be a wave C of wave Y. So taking it down to the daily time frame. Daily time frame, we finally had that push down that we've been waiting for. I think it's pretty clear that this is a wave A. I think it's pretty clear this is a wave B. I think we're most likely in a wave C, which I think is very likely to go down to the 61.8. Possibly the 50% will hold. I mean, there is definitely a lot of liquidity in this area. It's kind of an order block. But either way, and whether it respects the 50 or the 61.8, when it makes that double bottom, 3, 4, 5 shape with a break of structure, that's when we're going to know that this is the end of a correction and most likely the continuation of the uptrend. So taking it down to the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, I still think this push down over here is a wave A. I still think this is like an A, and it kind of made like a WXY or maybe even an ABCDE for the wave B, and then a push up for the bigger wave B. So this is an A, ABCDE, a, B, C, D, E of wave B, and then another push up for the wave C of wave B. Now I think it's pretty clear we're at a 1, 2, and 3. Most likely places for a wave C to actually go is the 100% Fibonacci extension, but I mean, it could possibly turn it to 78.6. Either way, I think that we'd still have some downside potential, and I do believe that we should be able to recognize when this correction is over by seeing a double bottom, by seeing a break of structure, and that should be, when it happens, the end of a wave 2 and probably the beginning of a wave 3. So taking it down to that 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, I mean, we are sitting at a fib extension level right now, and it would make a lot of sense to me if this possibly did make a little bit of a push up. But anything that I do see to the upside, at this point, I am definitely ignoring. Instead, I'm going to be waiting for the end of pullbacks for entries to go short. Kind of like this over here, ABC up and pulse it down, go short. Little ABC up right there and pulse it down, go short. Even back here, 1, 2, 3 waves up and pulse it down. So I am definitely going to continue to look for those three-wave pullbacks for the continuation of this downtrend, which is probably a wave C, of wave 2, most likely. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.